day everyone, come with me. Let's explore the true beauty of our Mother Nature. Forest ecosystem is a community of living organisms. It includes plants, animals, and other species. Forest filled with trees, vibrant plants, and symphony of animal sounds. Forest life is a city of nature.
Importance of forest ecosystem. The forest is very essential for keeping our planet healthy and protects us from extreme weather events like floods and droughts. It is home of many variety of plants and animals. Forests help to produce oxygen, which we need to breathe, provide us clear air and water. Forests also offer recreational opportunities like hiking.
Wildlife Resources Conservation and Protection Act, Republic Act No. 9147, enacted in 2001. This law protects wildlife species and their habitats, including forests. These laws, along with other regulations and policies, form the legal framework for forest protection and management in the Philippines. Effective implementation and enforcement of these laws are essential to address deforestation, illegal logging, and other threats to forest ecosystem and promote their conservation and sustainable use.
Threats. Burning trash. It can extremely damage the forest ecosystem. It can lead to devastating wildfire that can destroy the habitat of many wildlife, and it is very harmful to the environment. Plastic waste. Improper disposal of plastic waste can affect the beauty of the forest. It also contaminates the soil and water source. This is one threat for the forest ecosystem because it has a long-term effect. Plastic waste can be a threat to animals that live in the forest. Animals can ingest plastic waste and it can lead to death of the animals.
Organizing clean-up drive is an excellent solution to address the problem of improper disposal. Consider restoration efforts such as planting trees or removing plastic waste to enhance the health and resilience of the forest ecosystem.
Properly disposing of our trash not only safeguard the environment from pollution but also contribute to creating a cleaner and more beautiful environment for all. It's essential for everyone to take responsibility for preserving forest ecosystem and protecting the environment to ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.
Ano daw po yung magandang nadudulot na kalikasan po ng malaki? Siguro tubig. Yung mga kahoy para kumuarang sa yung mainit. So, ano daw po sa tingin niyo yung nakakasira po sa pool o dun sa kapaligiran po ng malaking pool? Siguro mga basura kung plastic, kayang tapos yung mga nag-aaral din sa Kyrgyzstan. So ano daw po yung pwede natin gawin para po maging malinis or mapanatiling malinis yung lugar? Siguro na lang yung basurahan, kaya plastic, lain-lain, bote.